Hello students, welcome to plus 2 botany class. Today we discuss a topic from the first chapter, reproduction in organism, that is events in sexual reproduction of plants. So this chapter is useful for you to study your second chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So we have two continuous chapters. So there we study all the sub-events in detail in your second chapter. So let us move to the topic, events in sexual reproduction of plants. So what is sexual reproduction? It is the process of production of young ones by the fusion of male and female gametes. So when we study sexual reproduction, we have to keep some more points in our mind. That is sexual reproduction, there is fusion of gamete, there is uniparental or biparental case of sexual reproduction, and there is genetic variation in the sexual reproduction, and it is the slow and complex process, and it is the advanced type of reproduction. So the process of production of young ones by the fusion of male and female gamete is known as sexual reproduction. So when we consider the events of sexual reproduction in plants, the events are classified into three. The first one, pre-fertilization event, pre-fertilization events, and the second one, fertilization event, and the third one, post-fertilization event. Let us discuss one by one. The first one, that is pre-fertilization event. Pre means before, prior to fertilization. So what are the processes takes place prior to fertilization? That is pre-fertilization. So in pre-fertilization, we can see two sub-events. The sub-events of pre-fertilization are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. So what is gametogenesis? So that you studied in your zoology class. Gametogenesis. It is the process of formation of haploid gametes from the diploid mother cell. So the gametes are haploid structures. So these gametes are formed inside the reproductive structures. So there are different types of reproductive structures seen in plants. So there is antheridium, archegonium, male and female reproductive structure, andrecium, gynoecium, and there are cones. Cones are the reproductive structures seen in gymnosperms. So there are different reproductive structures are there. So gametes are formed inside the reproductive structures. So the gametes are haploid and these gametes are formed from the diploid mother cell. So gametogenesis takes place, gametes are formed. Moving to the second sub-event, that is gamete transfer. So gametes transfer means there is a transfer of gamete from the region of formation to the region of fertilization. So the region of formation, the gametes are produced and it should move from the region of formation to the region of fertilization for the fusion process. So the gametes require a medium for its transfer. So there may be water, there may be wind, or animals, or insects, or human beings. There are different agents that ensure gamete transfer. So the gamete transfer takes place and gamete reach in the place of fertilization. And moving to the second main event of the sexual reproduction in plants, that is fertilization. So it's a familiar term for you. What is fertilization? It is the process of fusion of male and female gamete. So here the fertilization is named as syngamy. Fertilization is named as syngamy. Syngamy is the fusion of male and female gamete. And what will be the product of syngamy? That is zygote. Zygote is the product of syngamy. So here syngamy takes place, fusion of the gametes takes place. And moving to the third event of sexual reproduction in plants, that is post-fertilization event. So in post-fertilization, post means after. So this means what are the events takes place, what are the processes takes place after fertilization. So that is post-fertilization. In post-fertilization, we can see two sub-events. So the sub-events are zygote formation and embryogenesis. So here, zygote is the product of syngamy. It is a diploid structure. The gamete, N gametes, N and N fuse together that form diploid zygote. So zygote that undergoes continuous cell division and it develop into embryo. Zygote develop into embryo. So the zygote formation, during zygote formation, the zygote undergoes continuous mitotic division and it develop into embryo. And moving to the last sub-event of post-fertilization, that is embryogenesis. Embryogenesis. Genesis is the formation. The process of formation of embryo from the zygote, that is known as embryogenesis. So embryonic development takes place, an embryo that grows mitotically, that form cells, tissues and the tissue system, and it form the new plant body. So we can see different tissue systems in plants that we studied in the first year. Epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, then vascular tissue system, and these are developed and the new plant body is formed. So that is the end of sexual reproduction. The new organism arises. So these are the events: pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization events in sexual reproduction of plants. Let us summarize all these points once again. So we discussed what is sexual reproduction, what are the importance of sexual reproduction. It is biparental or uniparental, there is fusion of gamete, there is mixing of genes, and it is a slow complex process, and that is the advanced type, and that provide variation in the progeny. So the events of sexual reproduction is classified into three: the pre-fertilization, fertilization and post-fertilization. And there are sub-events in each main event. In pre-fertilization, we can see two sub-events. The sub-events are gametogenesis and gamete transfer. And in fertilization, we can see syngamy. And in post-fertilization, we can see the zygote formation and embryogenesis. In embryogenesis, there is cell division and cell differentiation takes place and the new organism is formed. Thank you, students. We will study all the subtopics in detail in our next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.